Hi, this is Phil Smith here, Technical Director at EncryptionBox. In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to securely upload and store your files with EncryptionBox. If you're new to EncryptionBox, you may want to know what it's all about. Well, EncryptionBox is an online file storage and sharing service which encrypts your files using proven and strong algorithms, then hides them away as virtual files to avoid interaction with other files. The only possible way then to decrypt and open them is to be logged into the application or receive them as a securely shared file from another EncryptionBox user, again through the application. We'll cover file sharing in another video though. So for now, what we need to do is we need to get cracking and get logged in. When you register with EncryptionBox or your administrator registers you, you will be using your email address and you will be issued with a password and security key. What this does is it offers a dual layer of protection in the same way that online banking facilities do for your login details. So, on the first screen, we enter our email address and password. Now we can either press enter on the keyboard or click the continue button. Now we've been taken to the second screen where we're asked to verify our security key. Each of these pieces of information is encrypted using a one-way encryption method, so even we can't tell you what your password or key are if you lose them. So I'll enter my key now and click on verify key. So we've successfully authenticated at both levels. As you can see here, we've got my files. These are the files I've already uploaded to EncryptionBox. And on the left hand side we've got folders. Now it's easy enough to create a virtual folder. We'll go through that at some point in another video. So if you want to open a folder though to view files that are already in there, simply click on the folder name. You can see we've changed the folder, but we don't have any files in there. So let's go back to my files for a moment. So now we want to upload some files. So funnily enough, we'll click on the upload files link here. Now by default you won't be uploading to a folder, you'll be uploading to that first screen we get to when we log in. But if you want to upload to a folder, you simply click its name on the left hand side and it shows you here that you're uploading the files to the EncryptionBox folder. You can upload as many files as you want at once by clicking the add more files button. So I'll go ahead and I'll pick my first file by clicking add more files, then choose file. On a PC that will be a browse button. I'm using a Mac for this demonstration, but you can use any web browser on any desktop operating system, whether it's Mac, OS X, Windows or Linux. We aren't supporting mobile at the moment. There's security issues with mobile devices, and the idea of our software is that you're probably not going to want generalized access to it, whereas with a mobile device it's as simple as it might sound. It's quite easy for it to get taken out of your hand while you're using it. Even we've also got to be very careful when handling logging in and logging out on mobile devices. So until we've got through all these issues, at the moment we're restricting it to desktop access only for security. So I'm going to choose a couple of files here. So I'll click add more files to add another file to the list. Let's choose that ab.doc one there, and let's have another one. About us, that's quite a decent size. So once we've picked our files, what we need to do is just click on the upload button. Each file gets uploaded and encrypted individually. It also gets a unique key and initialization vector. Now the key and initialization vector are hidden secret values that the application sets and that only the application knows to enable a user to decrypt their files later. Now we store these in a very hidden way. Everything we do is geared towards security, hiding what we can, so that if anyone did happen to get access maliciously, they wouldn't be able to do anything with the data anyway. So you'll be given a message to say whether or not your file uploads successful, and as you can see here it is. We've uploaded the files and encrypted them. So if we want to go and view them, all we need to do is click on my files. You'll also notice we've uploaded to the EncryptionBox folder, so if we click on my files and click here on the EncryptionBox folder, you'll see the 3 files that I've uploaded. Now it's as simple as that. So we'll go through decrypting and not opening the files in a later video. So thank you for watching this one, and we hope you find it useful. As well as decryption and downloading other videos, we're going to cover file sharing and our internal messaging system, which sends secure encrypted messages between registered users. So I hope this has been useful, and thank you for watching.